Hello and welcome to this Reliable Controls RC-Webview training video. In this video, we'll be learning about special events in RC-Webview. Before watching this video, you should first watch the videos about BACnet calendars and individual BACnet schedules. Use special events to set up times when the default weekly schedule is not being followed. They are typically used for recurring holidays, but they can be used for any special event that requires a change of scheduled hours. Using a special event means that the default weekly schedule can remain unchanged if there is an event requiring different hours of operation. Use special events to either turn on the controlled equipment or to turn it off. They are not just used to select days not followed by the schedule, like the calendar. This makes special events useful when scheduling events that don't follow the default weekly schedule. Special events are found on the right-hand side of the schedule window and display a yearly calendar in days. To set a special event, click on any box in the special event calendar and then click on Create. This opens the New Special Events dialog box. The New Special Event dialog box has similar options to the Edit Schedule dialog box as shown in the Working with BACnet Schedules video. At the top of the dialog box, you have the Event Details section. This contains the event name and ranking. The event name allows you to name the event to easily identify it. The ranking gives the priority of the special event in relation to other special events. The lowest ranking is 16th, going up to 1. If two special events are overlapping, the special event will follow the one with the highest ranking. Special events can be set up as a single event, an event that lasts for a date range, or a recurrence. To set the time and duration of the special event, click and drag the hours in the day box on the right-hand side of the dialog box. You can adjust the duration by dragging from either the top or the bottom of the event, and you can change the start and finish times without altering the duration by dragging the event up or down in the window. You can create multiple start and finish times during the day by clicking and dragging. By clicking on the time column, you'll be able to select different increments displaying the time. The increments can be as small as 5 minutes or as large as 60 minutes. Typically, displaying the time in 30-minute increments is best. It allows for easy viewing of the whole day. You can make changes to the start and finish times in the Time Values section. Make the required changes by clicking on the time and editing it. The time is displayed in the format hours, minutes, and seconds. By clicking on the value, you can select either on, off, or relinquish. When setting up special events, we typically suggest setting it to relinquish at the end of the event. You can add additional end or relinquish times by clicking on the Add button. Note that the added time will default to the local time of your computer. You can remove a time by clicking on it to highlight it and then click Remove. You have the option to set the day to all on or to all off by clicking here. The day will relinquish control back to the schedule at the end of the day. The date is shown in the global style of day, month, and year. Change the date by clicking on the arrow and selecting a date from the drop-down. Date allows you to set a single date special event. You can select multiple days for a special event by clicking on the day, month, or year boxes. When day is selected, the special event will be set for every day included in the selected month and year. Selecting month will schedule the special event for the selected day every month in the selected year. Selecting year will schedule the special event for the chosen day and month every year. Ticking the box marked with an asterisk or ticking the day, month, and year boxes will schedule the special event for every day and every year. The special events area displays a scheduled special event by highlighting the days the event takes place. If more than one event is scheduled for the same day, the calendar will highlight the days with different colours. This can happen when a single date was already selected, then a recurrence was added, putting two events on the same day. To view the events scheduled for the highlighted day, click on the day itself. This brings up a list of events for that day, showing their duration. You can click on the desired date or date range to open the New Special Events dialog box. You can also view a list of the scheduled special events at the top of the special events calendar. By clicking on this box, you can see a list of special event names. Clicking on the event will allow you to edit it. Should you need to modify an event, you can do so in the New Special Events dialog box. Advanced Options allows you to choose a specific day, a particular month, or a particular year for the event. The special event can be set to delete automatically after the event is completed by checking the Auto Delete box. Date range allows an event to last a series of consecutive days. Selecting date range brings up similar options as selecting date. You make selections for the date or year to start the event and the date or year to end the event. Day and month are not selectable here. You can set the event to repeat each subsequent year by ticking the year box. Ticking the asterisk will set this event for every day, as it selects every date for the start and every date for the end. The next option is recurrence. Recurrence allows an event to take place on a specific repeating day. You can set the recurrence to be a particular month, a particular week of the month, or a particular day of the week. For example, you can have an event every Friday during July. By selecting the month of July and the day as Friday, you can schedule the event. Recurrence also allows you to set an event that occurs on the same week each month. Recurrence can be used to set a holiday that will always occur on the same day, or an event that occurs on even or odd months only. When special events have been created, the special event calendar will display the event. The number of colours highlighting a day indicates the number of special events scheduled for that day. Here showing 3 special events scheduled on this day. In the New Special Event dialog box, there are 2 other options: Calendar and Override. Calendar type special events allow you to define a special event based on days that are tagged on a BACnet calendar. The same event will happen for all days tagged on the associated calendar. This type of special event is most useful for events that require the same special hours each time they occur, like holidays when a business is closed, or extended hours for cleaning or taking inventory. The Override option allows you to control a special event based on a binary object in the system. This is usually used to link multiple separate schedules to a single BACnet calendar. However, in RC-Webview, the most effective way to achieve this is to use the enterprise schedules, which are covered in another video. Another common use is to provide a master schedule override object that can be used to turn on all building lights from a single button in a graphical group, or a binary input like a keyed switch. To configure the override, select Override and then enter the name of the object being used to control the status of the schedule. When all the changes have been made, click OK and click on the red highlighted save icon to save. Enter a reason for the changes if requested by the audit log. Thanks for watching. Let us know if you found this video helpful by clicking the thumbs up. You can send additional comments if you like. Close the feedback window to return here and to launch the next video.